At Pandium, we know that every company's integration needs are unique. That's why, along with our integration platform, we offer flexible, optional solutions to help you drive adoption. Whether you need a full-featured marketplace, a smoother setup for an existing one, or just a simple way to handle Auth, our options are built to fit your resources and business goals. Pandium's in-app marketplace is for teams that want to give customers a hassle-free way to browse, install, and configure integrations, all without ever leaving their app. Easily embed this marketplace experience into your app with an iframe and make it your own. Customize it to your brand by editing the logo, theme, fonts, and copy, and add or remove features like categories, a search bar, and a featured integrations callout. Your non-technical teams can fully manage the design, branding, and structure of your marketplace right from Pandium's admin dashboard. That means you can turn on features like categories, a search bar, and featured integrations, and tweak the theme, fonts, and copy and more without needing a front-end developer. For even more customization, you can use custom CSS to make everything match your brand's look and feel. Now, if you have a marketplace or want to publish your app in other marketplaces, Pandium provides flexible ways to embed and customize integration setup and authentication flows. Our embedded integration install feature lets you embed a secure, fully managed integration setup UI into your marketplace or partner marketplaces with minimal dev effort. Your customers can provision connectors, configure settings, and schedule syncs, all within a UI that you can customize. Pandium manages the authentication and UI behind the scenes while you deliver a frictionless, fully branded experience to customers. If you just need a secure, hassle-free way to manage authentication and streamline setup for users, Embedded OAuth is for you. Customize and embed an authentication experience into an existing marketplace and allow customers to securely connect to external systems without any manual configuration. Your team controls the UI while Pandium manages OAuth flows and API key exchanges behind the scenes. Your customers never see Pandium, just a smooth, hassle-free setup. No matter where you are in your integration journey, Pandium can help you accelerate time to value with flexible solutions designed to adapt and scale with your needs. To learn more about how we can support your integration goals, get in touch with our team and check out our docs.